Yeah, take a picture. Take a picture.
Oh, wow.
Is that for me?
That's for me. Uh-oh.
Hey, look. The rain
Hey, look, what is it,
What
Jared?
is it, Jared?
Who is that?
The rain stopped.
Who is this?
Baby Jesus.
Oh, wow. What's his mommy's name?
Mommy. Dad.
Wow. Jacob.
Jacob.
What do you think it's on?
Hey, look. The rain stopped.
Joshua, I don't know if that's yours.
Pick the knife up, go back to the place where you got it from, and put it away. Do not run.
What? What is this box?
Wow.
I found something. We found it.
There you go.
We found this. So give me this.
What do you tell Nana?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is it with that? What is it? What is it? What is could it be? What could it be?
Oh, no. What's it going to be? Huh? Oh, wow.
Oh, cool.
What is it? Can I see that?
No.
Aww.
That's cool.
What is that for? Can I see?
Something for Mommy to fill out.
For Daddy to fill out.
Aww.
No.
What did you get, Joshua?
They have hook. No
Huh?
hook. There's no hook in present.
No, you got all the hooky stuff you could get.
Can you fill it out?
Carefully.
What, Dad?
What is it, Josh?
No.
DVD player.
What is it?
DVD player.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Can I go in Mom's room? Can I go in Mom's room?
Nope. I claimed it.
How pretty.
I claimed it. That's what we needed.
Who's this guy, though?
Josh,
Oh, that's crazy.
what are you doing?
Do it!
Yeah, fire match over here. Can I have eyebrow flash?
Wait, Josh, there's more bubble wrap. Go ahead, boy. Stop all you want. Stop, jump on it. Get on the other one and jump. Begin. Wait a minute.
No more bubble wrap.
You're
Joshua, come here. Joshua, come here. Joshua, come here. Come here.
What's your mom?
Come here. Joshua. Joshua, come here. Joshua, come here.
Wait, he's letting the rest. Here, I'll help you.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say
Bye,
thank you,
guys.
Nana. Say thank you,
Don't
Nana.
Say thank you, Nana.
Thank you.